Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the brand new skincare line from Winky Lux. It just launched today. Today is the launch day. I'm so excited. I have been testing these out for a couple of weeks and I can't wait to share with you guys what I think about them. You guys know I'm actually a skincare junkie. I love testing out new skincare. I'm very opinionated with skincare. I did go to cosmetology school even though I don't have a cosmetology license, and ever since then skincare has kind of just been a fascination and I love trying new skincare. I am going to be 100% honest with you like I always am. I don't want to lead you astray, you guys, but I can't wait to show you these products. So I will link everything that I talk about down below. Oh, before we get started, if you're new, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell because I upload every 2 or 3 times a week and you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, especially because Foundation Week's coming up and that's really fun. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram. Go say hi to me. I love showing you guys new products, swatching, doing get ready with me's. I vlog and show you guys kind of my life and it's just really fun. I'm also on TikTok and you should just go see it. It's kind of like a little bit of my silly side coming out there. But go say hi to me everywhere. Go say hi to me everywhere. Before I start showing you each product, I do want to let you know that their packaging is kind of like around petals and roses and florals, but I know if you're anything like me, anytime I see anything that's rose themed, that's skincare, I like stay away from because there's nothing that makes me more nauseous or sick than skincare or makeup products that smell like floral or flowers or roses. I can't. It's too strong. I can't. Literally gives me a headache. But you don't have to worry, you guys. I was pleasantly surprised that all of these smell fantastic. They don't smell like floral to me. I'll try to read and see what the smell is, but honestly they smell a little bit fruity and it's very, very light and refreshing. It does not smell like roses. I hate the scent of roses even though I love roses, and they do not smell like that. So don't worry, don't get scared. They all smell really good and have almost like a fruit fresh smell to them. So let's get started with the cleanser. The cleanser retails for $22. It says, embrace the power of the flower with Winky Lux Petal Cleanser, blended with kiwi, fruit extract, vitamin C, and rose water. This gentle daily cleanser leaves skin clean, refreshed, and balanced, while delicate vegan glycerin petals and light foam creates a sensorial experience. The gel formula melts makeup, even mascara, and lifts dirt and impurities without stripping the skin. All of these products are paraben-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, sulfate-free, vegan, gluten-free, and are clean. If you're worried about any of those things, vegan, cruelty-free, all of those things, is it clean beauty? Yes, it is clean, so it's really, really exciting. I give big props to Winky Lux for that. I definitely do smell like the kiwi and like a nice fruit, fresh scent. But I love this, you guys. I really do. I even tested this out with eyeliner, mascara, the whole shebang. I didn't take off any makeup and I worked it into the skin to see, and I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking that first off it was gonna sting my eyes. Second off, I was thinking that I was going to dry my face and I would have mascara smeared all over. But I did not. It literally took every single thing off. I didn't even have to do it again. I just did it one time with a light, small pump, and I didn't feel like I had to continue to go in there and clean out my eyes or anything like that. This is nice. I do feel very clean without it making my skin feel stripped. It feels hydrated and nourished, but it feels, the jelly is like thin, so I feel like if you have oily skin, this is gonna work for you, as well as if you have dry skin. I really enjoy this cleanser. It's actually becoming one of my favorite cleansers. It's the one that I reach for the most because it really does feel good, and I love jelly cleansers because it feels really thin but then it kind of foams up. It's really, really nice. I love it, and I love the pump, the packaging on all of these is pretty freaking bomb. It's amazing. So there's that one. Next is the Orangey Bright Gentle Vitamin C Exfoliator. This one has vitamin C, lactic acid, orange, carrot, and sunflower oils. This does smell like orange. It's not super strong. It smells really nice, and I actually enjoy it. When I first opened it and looked in here, it looks like it's a super creamy formula. So when it said exfoliating, I was like, exfoliating? How's this gonna exfoliate? Oh, it smells so good. But it has like little micro beads that really does exfoliate the skin without making your skin feel stripped. I know if you have dry skin like I do, you kind of try to stay away from, or I don't know if you do or not, but I try to stay away from too many exfoliators so I don't strip my skin because it's already so dry. But this was actually really, really nice. I love it. I love that there's oils in here, that there's, what is it? Sunflower oil, because it kind of helps so that you don't feel super dry and like, when I say stripped, I mean your skin feels tight. I'm glad that this does not make me feel tight afterwards. I really did enjoy it and I liked it, and I loved the scent of it and the fact that it was creamy, but as I worked it in, it kind of exfoliated very lightly. It didn't like scratch my skin, or it wasn't too rough on my skin. I do have sensitive dry skin. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Sensitive dry skin, and I do like this. So this says it's orange. It says Orange You Smooth, Winky Lux Orange You Bright Exfoliator awakens senses with the smell of fresh squeezed citrus, leaving skin fresh, radiant, and nourished. Formulated with 3 forms of vitamin C plus lactic acid, this dual action exfoliator gently polishes, slows away dead skin, and helps to resurface. Vitamin C and lactic acid smooth and enhances skin's radiance for a glowy complexion. You apply a thin layer and you work it into the skin for 2 minutes and then rinse. And it's supposed to also help even out your skin tone. So this retails for $28, and it's a pretty big tub of it, and you only need quite a little bit. But look at this packaging, it's so freaking gorgeous. I love that one. Okay, so this next product is the only one out of this whole line that I haven't really had a chance to try, but if I love it, I'll share it in a current favorites video. So I don't really know what I think about this one, but this is it's the Fizz and Glow face mask. It retails for $25. This mask bubbles up on contact for a rich experience with skin-loving benefits. It combines technology with powerful antioxidants to rejuvenate your skin with a little fun. The mask promotes a vibrant, glowy complexion by delivering a shot of oxygen to instantly recharge your skin. It's supposed to have anti-aging benefits and healthy hydration to the skin. So that's really nice. I only tried it one time, so I don't really fully know what I think about it, but I'll let you guys know. I'll definitely let you guys know on Instagram. But that's the mask, and did I say it retails for $25? Next is the Orange You Bright toner. This one retails for $22, and I actually really like it. I'm one of those people that feel like toner is kind of useless. I don't like using toner. I feel like toner sometimes makes my skin feel tight and stripped. I really like this one. First off, the packaging is bomb. All toners need to come in a packaging like this, because you flip it open and it actually has like a pump where you just get your cotton swab and you press down and the product comes up. Rather than having to tip it and do all that thing, it's so easy. You can just leave it there, open it, pump it, and you're basically done. This one is supposed to be calming and clarifying. It has orange fruit water and vitamin C, tea tree leaf, and chamomile. This is really nice. I find that it doesn't strip my skin. It makes my skin feel very clean and evens out how my skin looks and feels. And I'm really, really impressed with it, you guys. I love the packaging. It smells really good, and it does, I notice it cleaning and making my skin feel almost like brighter, and not feel brighter, but look brighter. And I really love this toner. It's a really good toner. I don't know if I mentioned, but none of these products smell like roses, if you're wondering. If any of these smell like floral, none of these smell like floral from what I can smell. So next is the Wakey Brightening Depuffing Eye Cream. It has vitamin C and E, hyaluronic acid, jojoba extract, and caffeine. I actually like these caffeine under eye creams because they do brighten your eyes and kind of wake them up so you don't look so tired. So I really like that. This one is hydrating, but it's thinner, so it's not, if you don't like thick creams under there, I like thick creams and thin creams. I don't mind. I like thick creams. I like it feeling hydrated under there. This is a little thinner, so I feel like it would work for multiple range of people. So if you are someone that doesn't like super thick creams, this one's really nice, and I really enjoy it. I feel like it does kind of wake up my eyes and make it feel hydrated under there and brighter. It also comes with this little baby. This is the Winky Lux Eye Cream Applicator. So I love this because you put the cream on and then you take this little guy, and I'll show you, I'll bring him out. Bring them out. So this retails for $12, but it has a little ball so it can kind of move around easy, but it makes the under eyes feel so cool. It gives you the most cooling sensation, just so nice. It just feels good, and it feels like it really is working the product in and depuffing. So I highly recommend this. I actually really like it. It's only $12, and I think it's totally worth it, and you can use it with any of the creams, eye creams that you have. But that was really nice, and probably that duo is my favorite combo because it just feels so good underneath the eyes. When you wake up, you're tired, you don't want to be up, that just feels so nice underneath the eye. Next is the Orchard Gelée Serum. It's a balancing and hydrating serum, and this smells terrific. Oh, it smells so good, like fruity. It has some pretty like rose petals in there, just really nice serum. The packaging is on point. It is a pump. This one retails for $28, and it basically says that it is a unique serum. It's packed with skin-loving goodness to hydrate and balance your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and strengthen your skin's outer barrier, while collagen stimulates peptides, providing anti-aging benefits and helps stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. It's a powerhouse. You have the orchid in here. Oh, it's orchid, not rose. It's orchid extract, delivers intense moisture and may help create more even looking skin. The delicate vegan petals dissolve on contact. I really like this. This is really nice because it's thin. It just reminds me of an H2O serum that just provides so much hydration. I love that it also helps with the collagen and the elasticity in your skin to help with anti-aging, so it's super good for your skin and healthy. I love this. This is thin. If you're someone that doesn't like serums, you have oily skin and serums are too thick for you, this is something good to try. You need serums. You need serums. Everyone needs serums. If you have oily skin, this is oil girl friendly because of how thin it is. It hydrates, but it's not like overly hydrate where it's going to drench your skin. This is just really nice. You definitely need to try this out, and this is a great one to pair up with your other serums as well because it is so light and thin. This is the first thing I put on after I cleanse my skin. You want to go on with this serum because it's so thin. You really want your skin to drink it up before you put on anything else on top of your face. So next is the moisturizer. This is the Dream Gelée Moisturizing Face Gel. I love these gel moisturizers because they give you hydration without feeling super thick. So they're thin. If you have oily skin, you can use a thin amount and moisturize your skin. It really hydrates. It's like your skin kind of like drinks it up. It like soaks it up, but it doesn't feel heavy, and it doesn't feel like your face is greasy because it's that gel formula. I love these type of moisturizers. They're my absolute favorite, and they're a dry girl's best friend because you can really add more if you're a little drier, and it's not going to feel thick or oily or mess up the makeup that you put on top. It soaks up into your skin so freaking well. So this one retails for $30. It's huge. The packaging is freaking gorgeous. This one says a quench skin with Dream Gelée. This lightweight gel moisturizer is powered by hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, glycerin, caffeine, and salicylic acid. Aloe vera is really good because it also heals. So if you have acne, aloe vera is really good for healing. It's really good for sunburns. So this has a lot of just goodies in here. It's quick absorbing, it's cooling, and it's refreshing. And it's perfect to prep your makeup. See, just like I said, it really does, it kind of like absorbs really quickly, and it does hydrate. It doesn't mess up any makeup that you put on top. So I really like this moisturizer. It's super good. Next is the Rose Moringa Facial Oil. This is so good. I love facial oils, and this one is super nice. It does look beautiful. It smells so freaking good. It has moringa oil, grapeseed, rosehip oil, some of my favorites. I love rosehip oil. It is so good for your skin. The same thing with grapeseed oil. So this is your dry girl's best friend. It feels so nice, so hydrating. I would put this on first, go in with the oil, and then go in with the moisturizer to finish it all. And it is just such a great combo. I use them all together, and I've been using only those two for the past only these products for the past 2 weeks, and I love it. It is a full skincare routine that is just so good if you have dry skin, and I love it. It hydrates. It, again, it's not too much. If you have dry skin, this is what you want. If you have oily skin, I don't know that you'll like this. You could probably use a little bit of it, but it is so freaking good. Dry skin girls, this is for you. It is so freaking good. Okay, almost done, you guys. I only have one more product to share with you. So that retails for $24. I don't know if I mentioned, but last is the lip sleeping mask. It retails for $18, and this is really good. It's really lightweight. It reminds me so much of the, what's it called, the Laneige one, but this one's a little bit lighter and not so like intense as that one. It smells super good, and this one says it is the ultimate balm treatment to keep lips soft and hydrated while you dream. The delicious marshmallow scented lip mask conditions lip with murra butter and locks in moisture with hyaluronic acid and power peptides, and vitamin E helps plump lips and reduce the appearance of fine lines. This one is only cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, sulfate-free, and vegan. So I really like this, you guys. I love the scent. It does smell like marshmallows. If you've ever gotten the candle called Marshmallow Fireside by Bath & Body Works, it literally smells, it smells like that. It smells so freaking good. The marshmallow in here is to die for. Just because of that, I'm gonna be repurchasing this because it feels good on the skin, and it feels good on the lips and does what it's supposed to do. It hydrates while you sleep and make your skin feel soft in the morning, but it smells so delicious. I can't even. You guys need to try this out. Seriously, it's only $18. Pick this baby up, you and your hubby together, like put this on before bed. It is so good. So those are all of the new products from Winky Lux skincare line. I will link everything down below. All in all, you guys, I really do love this skincare line. I loved it together. That's how I used it together, and I can definitely see if you pick up one or two products, pairing these up with other products, I think they're going to work really, really nice. Like I said before, I do have dry and sensitive skin, and I found that all of these worked for me. None of them irritated my skin, and they did keep my skin hydrated, and the makeup that went on top went on flawless. I really do enjoy it. I hope that they come out with a sleeping face, like a super hydrating sleeping face, not moisturizer, but like cream, like something heavy and hydrating. I hope they do, because I bet their formula is going to be freaking bomb, because all of these are pretty dang good. So let me know if you've tried any of their products. But that's kind of like a wrap up of their new skincare line. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and to go follow me on Instagram. Now I have a question for you. Let me know down below, what is your favorite skincare product? Or what is a skincare product that you're dying to try? Whether it's like a serum, oil, like you can say, I don't ever put moisturizer on and I really want to start trying. Let me know down below in the comment section. It's 2021, it's a new year, you guys, it's a new you. I love you. I hope you're having a very safe, wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video.